besties, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope everyone is having a great day, and if you're not, I do hope it gets better. If you're new here, I just love beauty so much, and I also love chatting with you guys about beauty or just anything in general, so I hope that you guys will stick around. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my Sephora haul. Now, I don't know if you guys know, I don't know if I said it in a recent video or not, but my anniversary with Kayla was last weekend. We had so much fun. We went to Jacksonville, and I actually really love the vibes there. But anyway, I was able to shop at an in-store Sephora, and I know I've said it multiple times before on the channel, but if you're new, I take advantage of any time I can shop in store because the one by me is shutting down and they have literally nothing. So I'm so excited about this, besties. Now, I did do some damage. As you guys can see, it's like filled to the top. I actually spent $436, which, like, yikes, I know that's a lot, but hear me out. I got a lot of items for that price point, especially if you look at Sephora hauls that I have done in the past. So I'm actually really happy about it. Obviously, that was more than I was meaning to spend, but you guys, I'm so happy with every single item I got, and I'm so excited to share them with you. Okay, so the first thing we got is the Item Beauty Air Hug Concealer. This is, of course, Addison Rae's makeup line, and say what you want about Addison Rae, but as far as like I've tried, she has really good makeup. This concealer is actually also $18, which, as we know, isn't too bad at Sephora. I also really love the orange packaging, and in general, I'm just so excited to try the product. I really also love the name of it, like Air Hug. It makes me feel like the product is gonna be really comfortable and lightweight, so I'm so excited for this one. And again, I just feel like we should do a full face of Item Beauty at this point because she has really nice stuff. Woo! And besties, the next thing I got is definitely something that did hike up that price, and it's the Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter from Haus Labs. Y'all, Haus Labs has been killing it. I have one of these in the shade Sunstone, I want to say, and I'm obsessed with it. But you guys, look at the shade of this highlighter. The color is Rose Quartz, and usually I wouldn't spend $40, that's how much it is, on a highlight right now, especially with the VIB sale coming up. But you guys, look at how beautiful it is. It's kind of giving like What a Brat from Fenty, but I feel like this one is not going to be as glittery. It's just going to be more of like a blush highlight hybrid. I think that's so beautiful, you guys. So I just could not pass this up. The pink lover in me was screaming, and I ended up getting it. I don't think anything else is this expensive, but you guys, I really wanted this, so I'm so excited to have it. And the next thing I got is the Saie Dew Blush Liquid Cheek Flush in the shade Rosy. And the reason I got this one, is $24 by the way, is because the last time I went to a Sephora, they did have this available, just not in the shade Rosy, so I decided to pass it up. I had swatched the shade, I fell in love with it, but they didn't have it. So I told myself, you know what? I'll just wait till next time I come in store. If you're here, I'll get you. If you're not, you're not. So I ended up getting it, and I've never tried this formula. I'm so excited to do it. I low-key want to do like a full face of Saie one day, so I'm slowly but surely like collecting all the items necessary. You'll see I got something else from the brand later in the video, but I'm so excited about this. And if I didn't already say, but I think I did, it's $24. And then I picked up the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I hope I'm saying that right, but if I'm not, please correct me. This one is in the original set, and I do really enjoy it. One of the associates at Sephora was telling me it's really good because I was like, girl, I've wanted this for a really long time, but is it worth $24? And she said she really likes it. I don't know if it's worth $24, but so far I've tried it, and I do truly enjoy the process of putting it on. It feels very nice and nourishing, and I do love all the scents available. I started with the original, and I also really want to get the vanilla. They also have a pumpkin spice one that I think is going to be limited edition for the holiday. I kind of want to try that one too, but I thought I would start with the original, and I do really like it so far. And then while we're on the topic of lip products, I also got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. This one's actually $23, which is quite a lot for what it is, but I do love the brand Summer Fridays. So this one is in the color beige, and it's supposed to smell like vanilla. I haven't tried it on my lips yet, but I will say I do really like the look of the packaging. They also had this one in store, you guys, that was like, I want to say like orangey red or something like that, and I really wanted to get that one, but I decided not to. But doesn't the applicator look really cool? Really nice. I'm so excited to try it. I usually wouldn't splurge on something like this till the VIB sale, just because it's not, you know, meant for a video or anything like that, but I just figured I would treat myself on my vacation and on my anniversary. And then you guys saw I got a Tower 28 blush in the last Sephora haul, so I got another shade, and this one is in Magic Hour, just because I really wanted to pick it up when I did get pistachio, and I felt like it was the perfect time. I'm so excited to try this blush. I haven't even tried pistachio yet, so I'm like low-key not even sure if I like the formula, but y'all, I was there. It was there. It ended up making its way into my cart, and now it's made its way into my collection, so hopefully we do end up liking it. And this one, it's just called the Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm, so hopefully we like both of them. And those are $20, and the color is described as a rosy nude. And then for Merit, let me tell y'all, Merit is pricey. $28 for this little guy. This is so cute though. This packaging, I really love it. They're very like minimalistic, and I love that about the brand. I really also wanted the cream bronzer, and I'm not gonna lie to you, if they would have had it in stock, I would have got my hands on it, but they didn't, so I was kind of sad about that. It's actually sitting in my Sephora basket right now. It has no scent, by the way, and this is what she looks like. Super pretty in the shade Cheeky. My girlfriend chose this one. There was actually like a really light pink, I want to say too, that I would usually pick above this one, but I felt like we did so much pink stuff with the Saie blush and then also the Tower one that I was like, we can do something that's a little bit different, so I got this one. And the blush itself is called the Flush Balm Cream Blush. So I am so excited to try this, you guys. I love how it looks, and I can't wait to put it on my cheeks. But again, for $28, that's kind of small. Then for Milk Makeup, they actually had a lot that I wanted. They had the blushes there, they had the bronzer there. I had to be really strong because we ended up staying an extra day in Jacksonville, so I didn't want to overspend, you know, but this one is in the shade 4 Neutral, and it's their new concealer. I am going to try to do a video on this product as well over here on YouTube. I haven't tried it out at all, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's called the Future Fluid All Over Coverage Hydrating Concealer. So I hope it is hydrating. You guys know I have dry under eyes, and I am obsessed with the packaging of this product. Also, besties, tell me why when I was in store, I saw the Milk Makeup bronzer, like the full size, for like 20-something dollars, and it was like this teeny tiny. I remember the days where it was bigger than this concealer. I still have mine, I'm ashamed to say, and it's humongous, and it was such a good deal at the time. But I also understand making it smaller because, to be honest with you guys, it low-key does expire before you're done with it, so I do get that, but I feel like they could have made it a little bit bigger still, you know. I was like, damn. So yeah, I'm very excited. I love the packaging. I hope it is very comfortable and hydrating on the under eyes. We will be doing a video because this is a new product, but I hope I really like it. And then I got another one of the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blushes from Rare Beauty. This one is in the shade Happy, and the reasoning behind getting this one is just self-explanatory. Look at it. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with the color. I cannot wait to put it on my cheeks. I just knew, you ever see something and you're just like, yeah, you're coming home with me. That was me when I saw the blush in the shade Happy. It's just so pretty, and this might be my new favorite shade, but I love Hope, so we'll see. And then besties, the Sephora Collection, it just kills me that these are $14. That's insane. I have one of the shades already called Flirted Up, but I wanted to get two to add to my collection. So this one is called Fascinated, and my girlfriend actually picked this one out. She really likes it when I wear like peachy orangey tones, so I'm super excited about this one. I'll wear it on one of our dates. And then I have this one right here called Over the Moon, which is more of like a really light purple shade. I'm hoping it shows up good on my skin, like looks pretty, but I'm not sure if it's gonna flatter me. I just got it because I love the color purple, but we'll see how the blush looks. And then not only did I get the concealer from Item Beauty, I also got the lip quip, which I heard these lip oils are like one of the only formulas that actually shows up on the lips, like gives you some color and tint. So I'm really excited to try this. It's $14. I love how affordable, again, her products are. Unfortunately, now on her website, or sorry, on Sephora's website, you can only get 2 shades, which is really sad, and it's that same way in store. But I really like this, so I'm kind of sad about that because during the VIB sale, I was definitely going to get another one if I did like the look of it. But either way, I'm happy to have this one now. And oh, by the way, I'll also link everything down below in the haul and on my face. Then for $22, I got the very popular Kosas lip oil in the shade Unzipped. I also had my girlfriend pick the color for this, but let's be honest, I was always going to pick this one. It's super pretty. I actually had this exact shade in my shopping cart online for a really long time, and I'm so excited to finally get it. I haven't tried this one yet, so I can't say anything about the quality, but it does look just beautiful. And you guys do see the jump from the Item Beauty one to this one, $14, $22. That's really crazy. Then for $15, I got this Saie Glowy Super Gel Dewy Illuminating Fluid. Y'all, I was trying to be cost effective, so I got the tiny size, even though I wanted the big one, just to make sure. I really do like this, but y'all, let me show you how pretty this is on the back of the hand. I'm like 100% certain I'm gonna have to repurchase it because look how beautiful and illuminating that made my hand. It's beautiful. So I low-key do wish I would have got the big size because it's so pretty, but at the same time, I'm excited to get the small size because I do have other things in my collection that do similar. So we'll see if this one really does stand out. And then you guys, I got another mini. This one is from Nars and it's $18. Look at me trying to be like the most effective at Sephora, even though it's super expensive, just trying to get the most products possible, but still get really nice products, you know? This is the light reflecting setting powder, and you guys know I love the light reflecting foundation, so I was so excited to get this. It's one of those really white finishing powders, and I did try it the other day. I just touched up my makeup with it. It didn't leave a weird white cast, but it did make my skin look super airbrushed. So far I am a big fan of this, and I do feel like it's always sold out, so I was excited to get it. When you do feel it, it low-key feels like nothing, and at first I didn't know like how that was going to translate to the under eyes, but it translates beautifully. So I'm very excited about this so far, but I do still want to keep playing with it. I mean, testing it. It's not a toy. I can't help it though, you guys. Like, makeup to me is just really fun, and so sometimes I say silly things like that, but y'all get what I mean. And then from Patrick Ta, I got the Major Volume Plumping Gloss, and you guys, I got it in the shade Full Syringe. I love plumping glosses, but you guys, I didn't even get it because it's a plumper. I got it because look at the color, you guys. It's so pretty. It's actually $24, which I know is pricey, but I just couldn't not get this. Y'all, like the Rare Beauty blush, the Haus Labs blush highlighter combo, and this, I couldn't resist. I had to get it. It's so pretty. I love the name. I love the packaging so much, and the color, I was just gravitating towards it so much. I had to get it. So we're gonna do videos with this in the future because how could we not? I love it so much. Are we done? No, we have 2 more items, I think. And then you guys, the last makeup product I have to share with you is the Kosas Revealer Concealer in the shade 01 Neutral. And I tried this the other day and I really did enjoy it. I found it to be very hydrating. It did not feel too heavy, which I really enjoy. Super comfortable formula. I just need to try it a little bit more because for $28, that's something I definitely need to try for at least a full day wear test before I do repurchase, say if I did run out. But I am very excited about this product. And then last but not least, I picked up the Daisy Love Perfume Spray. I really enjoy this. It's $31 for this little thing though, which I'm not the biggest fan of that, but you guys, when I tell you this smells so nice, I'm obsessed with it. I told myself that I would at least get the small one. That way I could use it up, and if I do find myself missing it, I will repurchase in a bigger size. But that was my full haul, besties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was quite a lot of items for the price point in my opinion, especially when you are thinking about Sephora. You could buy 2 things and end up spending $100 if you think about it. So to me, I think I did a kind of good job. I'm so excited though for the VIB sale, and again, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good things. It really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!